Every day, the average person makes over 35,000 decisions. That mental load is one reason so many of us feel burned out. But what if you could hand off the small, repetitive choices to AI, freeing your mind for the things that really matter?
Today, I'll show you how to actually use AI to automate your daily tasks. Not just the obvious stuff, but powerful methods that professionals use, and I'll break them down so anyone can apply them. By the end, you'll walk away with tools that can save you hours every single week.
Every day, the average person makes over 35,000 decisions. That mental load is one reason so many of us feel burned out.
But what if you could hand off the small, repetitive choices to AI, freeing your mind for the things that really matter?
Research from McKinsey shows that up to 45% of current work tasks could be automated with existing technology. That's not science fiction. That's now. And psychologists call this effect decision fatigue. The fewer small tasks you carry, the more energy you have for creativity and problem solving.
Here's a trick used in productivity consulting. Instead of automating tasks one by one, you create what's called a process playbook. You write down the steps you repeat often, like planning meals, summarizing emails, or scheduling meetings.
Then, you plug this playbook into an AI assistant. For example, you can train ChatGPT or other tools to follow your exact steps. Next time, instead of thinking it all through, you just say, "Run my meal planning playbook," and the AI executes.
Here's a real example. AI Meal and Shopping Planner. Step 1. List your dietary needs once. Step 2. Store a template. Generate a 5-day dinner plan, 30 minutes or less, with one shared grocery list. Step 3. Each week, paste that into your AI tool.
It takes less than a minute, and studies show people spend an average of 5 hours a week just deciding and preparing meals. That's 260 hours a year you can reclaim.
Another professional method is chaining tools together. It's called a workflow automation pipeline. For example, AI scans your emails for deadlines. It adds them to your calendar. Then it generates reminders in a daily summary. You don't touch a thing.
Tools like Zapier, Make, or even built-in assistants in Notion and Google Workspace can help you set this up.
Automation isn't about replacing yourself. It's about reducing cognitive load. According to the American Psychological Association, reducing daily micro-decisions can lower stress and improve focus.
Think of AI as a second brain for boring tasks, so your real brain has space for meaningful ones.
So here's the challenge. Don't ask, "What can I automate today?" Instead, ask, "Which repeated process drains my energy the most?"
Build a playbook, plug it into AI, and reclaim your time. I'll link resources like McKinsey's automation report and guides to workflow tools below, so you can explore further.
If this gave you ideas, subscribe, because we'll keep exploring how to use AIs like a pro without needing to be one.